this exercise, we will learn the brush tool. The brush tool is basically used for painting to create different strokes on an image. It is a very powerful tool in Photoshop. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. All right, here is the brush tool. If I right-click on it, then we have the B shortcut key. Okay, I have selected the brush tool, and I have a red foreground color. So we can change this color by double-clicking on the foreground color, something like that. We can pick any color. Let's say this color, and click OK. And now, if we click and drag, we can see we have the brush effect, something like that. Now we will see different control options of the brush tool above. If I click on the brush panel, we can see we have different options, sizes. We can increase or decrease the size, something like this. Or we can press the left and right bracket to increase or decrease its size. Next, we have the hardness or softness brush option. If we increase the hardness, then it will work something like that. And if we make it 0%, then we can see the soft edges brush stroke. Or we have one shortcut key. We can increase and decrease the size of the brush or make it hard and soft by using our mouse. Okay, if I right-click on this image, you can see we've opened a window to adjust size or hardness or softness. Or press the Alt key, you can see it is now an eyedropper tool and we are able to pick any color. If I press and hold the right key on the mouse at the same time and then drag your mouse to the up side, something like that, it is now a soft brush, something like that. If I drag it down, now it is becoming a harder brush. Okay, if I click and drag to the left side, something like this, we can see it is now a small brush. And if I drag to the right side, then it is a larger size brush. And that is a very, very cool shortcut key. Okay, next, we can adjust the curve of the brush. Something like that. It will create different effects, curve effects. Okay, next we have different brush lists. We have general brush, harder and softer brushes, and we have dry media brushes. We also have wet media brushes. And we can create different brushes from here by clicking on it. And we can create new brush presets from here. We can create a group, rename the brush, and we have the delete option to delete any brush. Okay, next we have the brush setting panel. This is basically an advanced option. Okay, next we have the mode option. We have different modes, but my opinion is keep it normal during painting. But after painting, we can change the mode on the layers panel from here. This is the same modes option, and we can adjust very easily. Okay, next we have the opacity option. If I drag it down, something like that, we can see the effect here. Something like that. And we can adjust it anytime. Okay, next we have a flow option. Flow is a great option. If I decrease it, we can paint and paint on it, and it will become more prominent when I paint again and again on it. Something like that. And that is a very amazing tool to use. Okay, next we have the airbrush tool option. And if I click and press on the mouse, you can see it is becoming more dominant, and it is appearing from low to high. Okay, next we have the smooth option. If I make it 100%, then we can see the brushes working very smoothly. Something like that. And if I make it 0, then it is working smoothly as well. Keep it at 0, I think. Okay, next we have the pressure control option. If you're using tablet, then you can use this option to control brush pressure. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the pencil tool.